Imagine an electric bike so powerful it feels like a machine from the future. Meet the Wildway Summit X, a next-generation dual-motor electric bike built for riders who want power, speed, and adventure in one incredible package. With its advanced dual-motor system, this e-bike delivers impressive performance, smooth acceleration, and the confidence to handle different terrains with ease. Its futuristic design, rugged build, and smart engineering make it perfect for city rides, off-road exploration, and everything in between. The Summit X combines modern technology with practical features, giving riders a thrilling experience while maintaining comfort and control. Whether you're commuting, exploring new trails, or looking for an upgrade from traditional bikes, this electric powerhouse is designed to take your journey to the next level. The Wildway Summit X is not just a bike, it's a new way to experience freedom on two wheels. This electric bike is built like a beast with power on every wheel. Introducing the Tesway X7 AWD, a next-generation dual-motor electric bike designed for riders who demand extreme performance and adventure. Its advanced all-wheel drive system delivers powerful traction, smooth acceleration, and impressive control across different terrains. Its aggressive design, durable frame, and modern electric technology create the perfect balance between strength, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're riding through city streets, climbing tough trails, or exploring off-road paths, this e-bike is built to handle the challenge. The Tesway X7 AWD brings a futuristic riding experience with the freedom of electric power and the confidence of dual-motor performance. It's not just transportation, it's a powerful machine created for those who want more excitement, more capability, and a whole new way to explore the world on two wheels.
This isn't just an electric bike, it's a dual-motor powerhouse built for the future. Meet the Anyoki A9 Pro Max, a next-generation dual-motor electric bike engineered for riders who demand maximum power, range, and performance. Designed with an aggressive, futuristic look and advanced electric technology, this e-bike is ready to conquer city streets, rugged trails, and everything in between. Its dual-motor system delivers impressive acceleration, enhanced traction, and confident control across a variety of terrains. Whether you're commuting, exploring the outdoors, or chasing your next adventure, the A9 Pro Max provides a smooth, comfortable, and thrilling ride. Every detail is built to elevate the riding experience, combining innovation, durability, and modern style. With its powerful capabilities and eye-catching design, this bike turns every journey into an adventure. The Anyoki A9 Pro Max isn't just transportation, it's the next evolution of electric mobility on two wheels.
What if your next electric bike had double the power and double the adventure? Meet the E-Hora Juliet Pro 2, a next-generation dual-motor electric bike built to redefine what's possible on two wheels. Designed for riders who want power, performance, and freedom, this impressive e-bike combines advanced dual-motor technology with a rugged, stylish design. Whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling steep hills, or exploring off-road trails, the Juliet Pro 2 delivers smooth acceleration, strong traction, and confident handling. Its modern engineering creates a comfortable and exciting ride, while giving you the performance needed for every journey. With its bold look and powerful capabilities, this bike stands out wherever it goes. The E-Hora Juliet Pro 2 isn't just an electric bike, it's a statement of innovation, adventure, and next-level mobility. Get ready to ride farther, faster, and with more confidence than ever before. This electric bike has two motors, massive power, and a mission to redefine adventure. Meet the Duotts S26, a next-generation dual-motor electric bike built for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary. Designed with performance, power, and versatility in mind, the S26 delivers an exciting riding experience on almost any terrain.
Its advanced dual motor system provides impressive acceleration, strong climbing ability, and enhanced traction when you need it most. Whether you're navigating busy city roads, exploring mountain trails, or heading out on weekend adventures, this e-bike is ready to perform. The rugged frame, modern design, and cutting-edge technology work together to create a ride that feels smooth, stable, and incredibly capable. Every detail is engineered to maximize comfort and confidence while keeping the thrill alive. The Duotts S26 isn't just an electric bike, it's a powerful companion built to take your adventures further than ever before.
What happens when you combine two powerful motors with unstoppable adventure? Meet the Shangmilo S600. The Shangmilo S600 is a next-generation dual-motor e-bike built for riders who want power, performance, and freedom without limits. Featuring an advanced dual-motor system, this e-bike delivers strong acceleration, enhanced traction, and impressive control across a variety of terrains. From busy city streets to challenging off-road trails, the S600 is designed to handle it all with confidence. Its rugged construction, modern styling, and innovative technology create a riding experience that feels both exciting and comfortable. Whether you're commuting, exploring nature, or chasing your next adventure, this bike is ready for the challenge. The Shangmilo S600 combines cutting-edge engineering with everyday practicality, giving riders the best of both worlds. It's more than just an e-bike, it's a powerful machine that transforms every ride into an unforgettable journey.